Let's see. GMP is ran. We did our make check. Now we have to say awk for awk tests passed. Don't forget the space icon on. Tests passed. / encapsulate total plus or equal to 2. That's not what that means. Space semi end encapsulate squigglies. Print total. And GMP check log. Okay. Yeah, something's definitely not right there. I've never seen that before. Tests passed. Let's see. Total plus or equals $2 and semi end print total check log. Alright, I have no idea why there was 16. Let's try to figure that out. Oh, well, it says 2 instead of $2. Okay. I was late the font, man. Alright, so now we can say make install and let's string it together. And we'll say make install HTML. Okay, done. GMP is done. On to section 6.15 MPFR. tar XVF MPFR. Okay. CD MPFR. Patch MP1-I. MPFR. Upstream fixes patch. We're going to say configure prefix equals user enable threads thread safe, and let's see doctor equals user share doc MPFR -3.1.2 and MPFR test is considered critical. Don't skip it. How many? We got 0.9 SBUs. That's about the same time, I guess. We can say make and make HTML and make check. Okay. We'll do that. We'll run the make check and we'll see what pops out, and then after we'll run the make install, make HTML, right? And after MPFR, then it's on MPC. There is a critical test for MPC, and it's one of the big mama. GCC 4.9.1 with 84 SBUs as a test suite. With test suite, so 84 times 5 would be what, 420 minutes. So that's like what, 5? No way. It's not a 6-hour test. Anyway, it's a long test, so I'll be back. Peace out.